போட்டு அண்ணே முன்னாடி போட்டு அண்ணே வண்டி முன்னாடி போட்டு வண்டி முன்னாடி போட்டு ஆள் உழைக்குங்க, கொஞ்சம் உழைக்குங்க. அப்போது அப்படியே பாடு, அப்படியே பாடு.
Extremely happy and elated, and looking at the way people have been welcoming him and the kind of love and warmth that is showered on him. I'm very sure he's going to win the election, and he's here to serve the people. Sundar C is someone who has been there, done that as an actor, as a producer, as a director, but he's here today because he believes in serving the people. So I'm sure people will vote for him and they will make him win.
Sundar is the newcomer for the elected politics. So people, why should brave over the figure who is the senior politician?
What is important? Seniority or juniority is important, or what is important is who serves the people. We have seen the sitting MLA for the last 10 years. He's not given the basic facility to this people. The central Madurai is in a mess. We have seen as a tip of the iceberg 200 crore scam in municipal corporation. So much more is beneath that. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We have already seen that the sitting MLA and the minister himself, there's a video which he cannot say that it's mocked. That itself says that 30,000 crore, we don't know where the DMK is going to keep. So these allegations, and today the kind of statement he gives, that I wanted to do so much, but because of political pressures, I couldn't do it. So when being an MLA where people have chosen you for the last 10 years, 2 terms they have chosen you, yet if you're not able to deliver, I don't think you have any rights to come back to the people and say that vote for me.